Trying to cast your Android phone to Google TV but it won't work? This usually happens because your devices aren't on the same Wi-Fi network or screencasting settings are disabled. So let's fix it step by step. Solution 1. Check Wi-Fi and restart devices. In order to cast, both your Google TV and your Android phone must be on the same Wi-Fi network. If they're not, casting won't work. Go to your Google TV home menu, navigate to Settings, then select Network and Internet. Here, make sure your Wi-Fi network on the TV is the same as your casting device. After checking all that, restart your router. Then restart your phone, and also restart your TV. Now try casting again. This refreshes network connections and often fixes the issue instantly. Solution 2. Clear Google Cast cache and data. Go to your Google TV home menu. From there, navigate to the settings. Now scroll down to Apps and open it. Then see All Apps. Scroll down to the bottom. Now select Show System Apps. Scroll down through this list to find the Google Cast. Once you find it, open it. Then from here, select Clear Cache. Then confirm your choice. After that, select Clear Data and confirm your choice. Doing this removes all the user data of Google Cast, but usually this fixes the issue. Solution 3. Clear the Google Play Services cache. Casting device fix. On your Android phone, go to your settings, find the apps option, and tap on it. For all Android devices, there should be a filter option. Select that filter and enable Show System Apps. Now search for Google Play Services, then tap on it. From here, go to Storage. Now tap on Clear Cache. After that, close all the background applications and restart your phone or tablet. Now try to cast again. I hope one of these fixes worked to solve your casting issue. If this video helps you out, then hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your device models in the comments. I'll guide you with the exact settings.